Hello, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, we're going to look at the best way to take notes during your Teams meeting. This video is taken from our new Microsoft Teams training course. So if you like the video and you want more training, you'll find a link to the course in the description where we'll tell you all about it. Or you can choose the link in the top right corner now. Taking notes in a meeting is useful if you want to add an agenda or record any decisions or actions that were made during it. Taking meeting notes in the way I'm about to show you is often a better option than using OneNote separately, because the meeting notes will always be attached to the meeting. You can use them before, during, and after the meeting. Here I'm going into the meeting itself, choosing the Meeting Notes tab, and then I can press the Take Notes button. The notes are split into sections. I could add a section, for example, called Agenda, and below I could add the items. Notice that when I do that, the toolbar lights up above and gives me some formatting tools. If you wanted to create an agenda ahead of the meeting and add it to the meeting notes, I recommend you do it this way. Once the meeting has started, you can access the notes through the ellipsis on the meeting toolbar. You'll see the Take Notes button or any notes you've made before the meeting on the right-hand side. You can add new sections by pressing the plus button and then naming the section. Here I'm going to add a section called Actions. And you can move and delete sections as you need to by going to the ellipsis to the right of the name of the section and choosing up, down or delete. You can also view the Notes tab for the meeting by hitting the View Notes tab link in the bottom right corner. When the meeting's finished, you'll see a card in the chat that tells you that meeting notes were created. You can view the notes full screen like this, or you can just go to the Meeting Notes tab at the top of the meeting window. The meeting notes are there for you to see if you have any meeting actions that you need to move into other apps like Planner or To Do. So that's the best way to take meeting notes in Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, this video is taken from our new Microsoft Teams course, so if it's helped you, you will find a link to the course in the description and where we'll tell you all about it. Or you can choose the link in the top right corner now. See you next time.